Okay, so here goes another run of the JB Weld cylinder. Got a different carburetor on it this time. Might be having some issues. Well, I guess that was more like a 3-minute run, but seems to be holding up pretty good. I noticed a little bit of oil dripping there. I suspect that's my crankcase cover gasket, but I didn't use a new gasket. I just resealed it with grease, but appears everything else is okay. So on this run, I'm running a different carburetor. I'm running an old 3.5 horse carburetor with it's got the choke in it there. The run yesterday didn't. I was running a much newer carburetor, and the engine didn't seem to like it. And as well, this time I hooked a governor linkage up so that it, it didn't try to over rev, and I didn't have to worry about it, type thing. So as well as I put a different intake valve tappet in it, so it had the proper clearance on the intake valve. Long story, but the one yesterday was really loose, so I think that might have been contributing to some of the kind of clacking noise you may have heard on the video there. I know it was noisier on the first run anyway. So Well, there we had a good 3-minute run of it. So here it is after that 3-minute run there with the cylinder head taken off. See, there's a fair amount of charring building up on the side right by the exhaust valve. It also extends, I'd have to say, most of the way around the cylinder. Let's see if we can get the camera to show the rest of it there. Not the best lighting conditions here. But the cylinder liner seems to be hanging in there. Oh, I wanted to thank my son for helping with the machining on this, as well as thank Super Connor. He has a YouTube channel. He's got like a 65 Mustang or something there that he's got. He sent me some parts recently, and as well as a long time ago, and I was able to use some of them on this engine build. So I just want to say thank you to Super Connor, and if you get a chance, watch some of his videos. He makes some interesting ones at Briggs's and cars and different things. So appreciate your interest in this JB Weld cylinder liner here, and I'm glad I was able to get it going. I was having my doubts there at the start. It didn't seem to be making much compression, but it turns out that I hadn't torqued the head bolts, so at least I had oil in it this time. I didn't burn her up, so that's good. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll keep building these Frank and Briggs contraptions here.